In this video, I'm going to show you how we disassemble and reassemble the strut system in a P-Series SIG. First thing you want to do, in this gun I already have the slide removed, I have the grip panels removed. In order to do this, you only really need to remove both side grip panels. So first things first, what we're going to do is we're going to get a screwdriver that has a tip that fits this slot right here pretty well. You can see this one's been a little wallowed out from installing it and uninstalling it quite a few times. And what you want to do is you're going to push up, so you're going to push in that direction on the seat, and then once it's pushed up and these ears clear, you're going to want to take this whole, your screwdriver, and take it and move it up this way. You're not going to want to pry it, bend it, or anything like that. That's what causes this piece to get wallowed out. So you're going to push. It's a little bit hard to do it in this angle, but you're going to push and lift very gently, just like that, and it pops out. So then you're going to have your seat, your spring, the strut. Then what you can do is you can take your new strut and we're going to reinstall it. This strut inside the gun, this front lobe sits on your hammer axle. The rear lobe sits on the pin in your hammer. Oftentimes what people do when installing this is they will actually install it to where the front lobe is sitting on the pin in the hammer, so it sits about like that, or they'll install it with this lobe on the hammer axle. Both of those ways are incorrect. In order to make sure that we do it correctly, you can see right inside that slot where the hammer or where the strut will reside. So we go ahead and we install it this way. We're going to look up inside of there, and we're just going to push it up. You can see that if I push it forward, right there it feels right. But you can see if I pull it down, push it forward, now it's actually pushing the hammer to the rear. That is wrong. The rear lobe is installed too far forward. So what I'll do is I'll move it back in, and I know it's in the right position when I hold the strut in and I push on the hammer and I get the strut to go down. Okay, we can see, you can sometimes see the strut right in there contact that pin in the hammer. So when we have it and we know it's in the right position, we hold the strut in place, we install the spring, and then we take our seat, slide it on there, and all I use is thumb pressure, and I'll push that and click it right back down into place. And that is the strut installation.